Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Cray here, better known as Fish, back again with another vlog today. Gonna be working on Stockzilla outside. Got our boy Tyler here. About to install some new headlights here. You guys are probably gonna be surprised at what this video is and kind of what headlights we decided to go with. And I'll explain why they're directly from China and not some brand you've probably heard of. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Gotta rip off the bumper. Gonna put in some new fog lights as well. And then a couple license plate bolts. So yeah, we're gonna do an unboxing here. I'm gonna check out the headlights, kind of do a comparison, show you guys the old Spyder headlights we have on the car right now, do some turn signals, high beams, all that, just kind of give you guys a good example of what the difference between these two headlights are. Yeah, but let's get to unboxing them. We got a lot to do. Gotta rip off the bumper. Shouldn't take us that long, hopefully. Every Subaru job's a 10-minute job, especially when you're working with the gay Subaru club here, so. Yeah, it's gonna be good. I'm really stoked. We've really been wanting to get these. Been waiting for about half a month now for these to come in. Should be awesome. Yeah, all shaved up. Got some new glasses. I don't know if you guys can tell. Yeah, things are good. This is the last thing we're throwing on the car before it goes to get wrapped. Today is Friday. Just got off work. I'm still in my dress pants and stuff, but Monday we go drop the car off and it goes away for about 2 weeks. And this is kind of the final touch. So good old Tyler and I here getting ready to get everything all superb, ready to go, and it's gonna be clean. I'm gonna unbox these bad boys. I don't even know where to open it from. This packaging is actually wild. Like, you look at Amazon, you just get a cardboard box. Like, this is straight out of China. Like, you just know by the packaging. I don't even think this has any branding on it.
I think I might have seen some on the other side.
So, oh yeah. All right. So, I made a forum post a while ago on one of the Subaru groups I'm in on Facebook, basically explaining how Morimoto, Vland, it's all the same shit, same company. In fact, Morimoto themselves confirmed it, which I'll put on the screen here with the emails. These are from the exact same factory, everything. You can buy Morimoto headlights for my year of car, 2013 STI, on websites, you know, $1,300, $1,500 bucks, whatever, Canadian dollars. Found these on Aliexpress for less than 1,000. Less than 1,000 for my dream headlights. And the funniest part about all of it is who's that right there? Ah, yes. Morimoto is Vland. So the only difference you pay is a logo change and maybe some extra warranty. You can find my dream headlights for less than $1,000. These are fully authentic. Like, yeah. These things are absolute units. So, little secret there from the Subaru gang. And I've done videos before where I've talked about how companies rip off each other and aren't authentic. I've done that before. We did it with, we've done it with Perrin, done it with, I think some Cobb products, a couple of them out there. There's a couple out there, but literally like half the shit you buy from these main Subaru manufacturers, whatever, you can find similar or of quality or whatever on other websites, other brand names. It's really all the same shit. Of course, like a mechanical part, you'd probably want to get authentically from like ETS, Cobb, IAG, etc. But when it comes to like bushings or shitty like cosmetic things, whatever, half of them are just rebrand, reman kind of things, all ripping off each other. So you want to save some money, save yourself some shit, get the same headlights I have, which are the best and the only LED options besides like a Circuit Demon, which is a Morimoto just retrofit kind of thing, or OEM Massive. You can get these for roughly $500-600 bucks off, depending where you were looking at before. Straight through AliExpress, no problem. So there you have it. So I'm going to show you guys this now. I'm going to take it out of the saran wrap here, or whatever plastic. So this is your headlight. So it's got that big projector here. This is kind of your turn signal as well as your daylight runners. Got your side signals here. These things look absolutely just incredible. I mean, look at that. Like, that looks just so beefy. You have your adjusters on the back here, your screw adjusters, etc. Yeah, but it says Vland right on there. It's all made same fucking spot. Fucking look at these things. Don't those look crazy?
Don't look like no Aliexpress, that's for sure.
I was gonna say, that looks pretty authentic to me. These are the best reps ever, or Captain Craze right again. All right, so Tyler here, clearly just the greatest mechanic ever, just went and ripped 1, 2, 3, and 4 out. As you can see, it kind of makes your grill a bit loose here, and that's one of the pieces you need. That's pretty much all you have to do up top, besides you unbolting and taking these clips out for the headlight. So that's what we'll do for now, because we're more worried right now about getting the bumper off than we are the headlights. Headlights are a lot easier. It's all easy. You gotta do just a couple clips in the fender well, underneath, and all that. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay.
And then that side just has some. It's actually stupid how easy they make this year to do. Go. So as you can see, stock's front end here looks a whole lot different, but we're gonna remove this red STI badge because I want to go badgeless, and I think it'll just look better without it on the next color we do for the wrap. I also don't like badging on these cars. I don't mind it on the rear, like just the Subaru logo and it says STI, but on the front grille, I feel like it's better to be badgeless. What?
I just fucking put mine on.
Well, yours looks good because it's neon green and it matches your color scheme. Take these LED bulbs out for the fog lights and put some new ones in because these have been burnt out for over a year now. Damn. So what you guys actually don't know is we're actually doing a headlight delete for a big ass fucking turbo. So Tyler and I here got the lights out now. We got the Vland Morimotos, Vland, I'm calling them Vlands. The Vlands here out beside the Spyders. Tyler and I were both just discussing. What'd you say, Tyler?
They look a hell of a lot like the Subi Speed headlights.
They do, they really do. And then also, now that you've seen them in person compared to online, what do you think?
I like them.
Yeah, you like them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Personally, I want to do Subi Speed myself, so.
Yeah, they look crazy. Like you can see, that's more of a halogen kind of housing compared to an LED. It's a lot more going on with the Vland than there is with the Spyder. And I think it's gonna look sick too once it's lit up. I think it'll look really good at night. Yeah. At night, the LED light up and stuff is gonna look so good. But yeah, Tyler was saying he thinks here, you know, they look a lot better in person than they do when you first see them online. It's a lot different.
They're decent headlights.
The Spyders?
Yeah. Like,
they're not bad. I don't hate them. Like, I don't hate them, but I like the light output more of the LED style, and I like the design more. Like, they're not bad. A lot of people use these. They're cool. I love the turn signal, but I want the LED. I want the different design. The car is going to be a beast one day. I just think it goes together more for my style, if that makes sense. But they're great headlight. They've done well. I've had the smoked. I've had the clears. Liked them both. I like the smokes a bit better. Yeah, they're not bad by any means. Okay, so something kind of different we came to notice here about these new Vlands over the Spyders. They have this like DRL harness type thing. This is DRL harness. Looks like there's one connector here with a fuse on it. So it's going to be some sort of fuse tap we're going to have to do to one of the engine bay fuse boxes here. I guess that goes to here. It looks like that's the only port it can go. And I think you just tap that into somewhere in the fuse box. We'll find out in a second. That's kind of the only difference between these we found so far in terms of electrical. Thankfully, it looks like it's plug and play. Boys, I mean, Tyler, what do you think?
that's hot. And that's not only because it's 100 degrees out either.
Dude, it's fucking, we're gonna go in for our second break here, but it's been fucking cooking, boys. It's about 40 degrees Celsius right now, and we live in a very humid, deserty kind of climate, very dry. It's very just moist and dry, and it's a weird feeling. But speaking of moist, holy shit, we just got the one side in right now, but oh my god. I mean, guys. That looks furious. Holy shit. I mean, guys, like, oh my god. Like, It just looks so good. We haven't even plugged it in yet, but it already it makes this thing look, when you look at the front end, it just looks like it's ready to kill and ready to go. Like it looks like it gives that kind of like Alien versus Predator vibe. I don't know how to explain it. It's like you lock eyes with it and you just feel like you're asserting road dominance. If that's what you want to call it. I don't like, it's hard to see because of the reflections and how cameras work, but in person it looks just so like intense. I love it. I love it. And when the wrap's done and everything's done and we build this car, it's gonna look, oh my, it's just all gonna tie together. All right guys, so we're gonna show you a comparison here. This is gonna be a before and after. What we're gonna do is show you the Spyder headlights, do a run through, show you all the signals, high beams, DRLs, all that. And then we're gonna show you what the Vland headlights look, because they'll be put on, we'll show you the difference. Do a whole comparison so you guys really get a true feel for what you're buying and what you're interested in and what style you do and don't want. I'm dropping the Aliexpress link below. What we're doing is we're tucking the wiring in the crash beam here, putting some adhesive glue down here. It's actually a tape, it's Gorilla tape. We're just tucking it along the crash bar here so it looks all nice with the wiring. Because we don't want to run it over the radiator. I'm worried it's gonna burn out the electrical, and they do recommend to run it there or over top in that general area. But I think through the crash beam here it's gonna look a lot nicer, tuck it away better.
Pretty good, man.
I would say that's fire as fuck. My boy's been driving since 6 a.m. Just coming into the Kelowna here to go for the wrap. We're fucking moving. Got a couple beamers in front of us. It's good. All right, boys, here we are. Stockzilla is ready to go in for wrapping. Last day, guys. Last day here with Stockzilla being white. I'm so stoked for the new adventures and what's to come. Hunter's taking a fucking leak. Hunter's taking a fucking leak. See, I don't come to the city often ever, but these guys kind of doing the traveling, but we're just browsing around all the boat stores and truck shops and all that. It's like
$300,000 boat.
Yeah, right there.
Look at that one. That's probably 500 grand right there.
Right there. Such a nice boat. Like, we gotta move out here. We're similar. We gotta get it together. We gotta strap in. We gotta get our bankroll up. Boys, we expected to be here like mid-afternoon. We left at 6 in the morning. It is 10 a.m. It's actually not even 10 yet. We've been dicking around. We got here at about 9:48 roughly, maybe.
Yeah, we got here earlier. We got to factor at 9:48.
And we're figuring out what the fuck to do because it's a holiday. Things may not be open. It's not lunchtime. It's 10 in the morning. So we're like, oh, should we go house hunting? Should we go, I don't know, browse around Kelowna?
Go. You haven't gone like places. Oh, we could go to August.
No, there's a Lexus. They got an LFA.
We could go to August.
August is probably closed because it's a holiday.
Oh.
It's a Monday. It's a holiday, right? Oh, WRX. The tour guide here is taking me to the fucking mall. We are in Richland. There it is. We're shopping for houses, looking at mansions and stuff. We can't even afford yet. But we're thinking about it, and yes, they're beautiful, but all these homes are close together. And I was actually just discussing with Hunter how much I would hate driving Stockzilla up and down these windy, kind of long roads, and even Hunter agrees. It's a little out of the way of the city. It's nice, don't get me wrong, but it's very crowded. And I think if we were right, gentlemen, we're gonna end the vlog there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys liked the new headlights. Little quick Kelowna end of the vlog. I don't know what the hell we're gonna call that, but I'm a little buzzed. We just ate Montana's. Hunter's full, I'm full. It's been great. Spotted one Ferrari. It's the only kind of nice car we've seen besides like an M4 or M3.
Grill.
Oh, there's an Evo as I speak. But yeah, right out of here. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope the phone vlog turned out okay for you guys. Yeah, take care, everyone. Have a good one. We'll see you in the next video when Stockzilla is no longer white.